Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to temporarily delete your Instagram account. What do you need to back from social media? 1 to take a step back. I'll guide you through the simple step to deactivate your Instagram account without losing your data. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Temporarily deactivate your Instagram account allows you to take a break from the platform. Your profile photos and comment will be hidden until you reactivate it, and no data will be lost, which erases everything. Today we are focused on the temporary option. Let's go to my screen. Now you open your Instagram first. Click to the profile icon and click to the three line in the top right corner, and then click setting and privacy. Open a new tab. You will click on the account center given at the top. After clicking here, you will see many options. You need to click on personal details. You will see there is an option below. Account ownership and control. Click here. And in front of you, the deactivation or deletion option will appear. Click here. You will see your profile. Click here and open a new tab. Understand it carefully. You will see two options: deactivate account or delete account. You need to click on deactivate account because if you click on delete account, the account will be permanently deleted. We only want to temporarily deactivate it. So click on deactivate account. Now you will need to enter your password here. After entering the password, open a new tab. Here it will ask you why you want to deactivate it. You need to click on just need a break and click continue. Click deactivate account. Now your account is temporarily deactivated.